Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to use headless mode in Claude Code. Headless mode allows Claude Code to run without opening the normal interactive chat interface. Instead of sitting in a terminal and chatting with Claude, you give it a task and let it execute that task automatically. This makes it useful for automation, scripts, and pipelines, scheduled jobs, and repetitive development tasks. So what is headless mode in the first place? Normally Claude works like a conversation. You type a message, so literally you can write down here, help me code a website for sports, and basically Claude responds. And you continue interacting with it as you will fix what you want, and basically you will be updating the code as you go on. So with headless mode, you provide a request and Claude completes the task without requiring an ongoing interactive session. Think of it as using Claude Code as an automated assistant that can perform work in the background. So now to set up the headless mode, before using the headless mode, make sure your Claude Code is installed and configured correctly on your system. And once it is installed, you can run Claude Code in a non-interactive mode where it receives a task, performs the work, and then exists when it's finished. Many developers use this approach for automation because it allows Claude Code become part of their existing workflows rather than requiring a separate chat session. So an example use case for it, well, a common use is repository analysis. So for example, you might ask Claude Code to review a code base for security issues. And Claude, once you did give them this task, Claude performs the task and produces a result without requiring constant interaction. Another popular use case is continuous integration. Teams can have Claude automatically review pull requests, inspect changes, or generate summaries whenever code is updated. And yeah, this is how you can use it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.